schmancy. Up, there it is. Okay, so it's got some life. All right, guys, I got this on Amazon. You can get this Amazon, Costco, whichever or wherever you'd like to. But this is the X8 Apex inflator. It's a tire inflator. So we're going to take off the cover. Let's see what we got in here. Now, I haven't looked at any of this before, but this looks definitely very cool. So let's see what's below here. Accessories are below, so let's see what we got for the accessories. All right, looks like the charging ports, charging cords, or the inflating cords, all the goodies that you need to use it. Again, I have not used this product before. I saw this online, and I thought this would be very cool. All right, let's see. What else do we got here? So it came with the charging. I guess these are the different adapters. Let's see. What else is in here? Just shows, I guess, some light stuff. A sleeve. I guess that's it with that. But looks to be pretty much it. Let's see if we can get these attachments out. It's kind of tough one-handed, but we're working it. Working it. All right, let's see. I'm going to try and do this way. Ah, there it is. There's the USB. And the pieces you need if you're doing like a ball or God only knows what. So yes, this would be the attachment to just pop onto your wheel, and it rotates like so. All right, or this probably also inserts into here. So let's just take a sneak peek if this does. Should. Well, I think it does. I think it does. All right, anyway, we'll play with this later. But this is a USB-C charging port, which seems to be the standard charging ports these days. So let's get this piece off. And I'm not returning it because it's a fantastic emergency kind of a kit item to have. So that being the case, we're doing this live. All right, let's get this off. All right, it's very small and compact. That's not what she said. Zinger. All right, let's see. What else do we got on this bag? All right, so here it is. Might not have any power, so I might have to actually charge this up, but looks pretty simple to use. So there's the charging ports, the USB-C, and the USB if you have no USB-C, but I do, so we're going to do it. And so, yeah, I'm going to charge this up, and I will get a video of the display. Display is digital, so that will be pretty fancy schmancy. Up, there it is. Okay, so it's got some life. So obviously, it's not seeing anything here. It can go up or down. We'll leave it at 35. The light is blinking. Motorcycle. Oh, pretty cool. Bicycle. What else does it have? Ball. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this symbol is. And then the standard. And then it's back to car. So it's got digital gauge. Tells you the battery life. This is pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to list this below. The link and description telling you where you can get it from, either Amazon or Costco. But depending on where you get it, it could be between 40 to 60 bucks. Well worth it in this case. So, and then just power it off. Boo, boo, boo. All right. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Hope this intrigued you to get this. I'm probably going to try and get more in my future. But this is it. And it's really fast. Stay tuned for more. Adios. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.